Good morning, students. Today our topic is algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. Algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation into variables. Students, first method is your substitution method. Second one is your elimination method. And third one is your cross multiplication method. Student, today we will discuss about substitution method. Student, any doubt, any problems? Now student, exercise 3.3, I will solve it by substitution method. Student, question number 1, first part, I will solve it by substitution method. Student, x plus y is equal to 14 is your first linear equation into variables. X minus y is equal to 4. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Name is not sure. Sir, data meaning.
Exercise 3.3. Question number first part. Now student, x plus y is equal to 14, equation first. X minus y is equal to 4, equation second. Students, we have to solve it by substitution method. Student, listen to me carefully. First of all, either from equation first or equation second, we will find out either value of x or value of y. Student, या तो आप इक्वेशन 1 से या इक्वेशन सेकंड से या तो x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कीजिए, y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कीजिए. स्टूडेंट्स, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, और उसको किस में पुट कर देंगे, सेकंड इक्वेशन में पुट कर देंगे. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट y is equal to 14 minus x, that is equation third. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Student, it is not compulsory. You will always find out the value of y. You can also written as x is equal to 14 minus y. No problem. And put the value of x in equation second. Now we have to find out. आप x की वैल्यू निकालिए या y की वैल्यू निकालिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं इसमें. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि मैंने y is equal to 14 minus x किया है यहाँ पे. You can also written as x is equal to 14 minus y. It will be correct. आप या तो x की वैल्यू निकालिए या y की वैल्यू निकालिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now you have to put y is equal to 14 minus x in equation second, not in equation 1. Student, आप इक्वेशन सेकंड से भी निकाल सकते हैं y की वैल्यू, उसको इस इक्वेशन 1 में पुट कर सकते हैं। कोई जरूरी नहीं कि हमेशा हम इक्वेशन 1 से ही निकालेंगे, आप इक्वेशन सेकंड से भी निकाल करके फर्स्ट में पुट कर सकते हैं।
सर किसी एक इक्वेशन दूसरे का पुट
यस स्टूडेंट्स, किसी एक इक्वेशन से या तो x की वैल्यू निकालिए या y की वैल्यू निकालिए, उसको किसी दूसरी इक्वेशन में पुट कीजिए। स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ पुटिंग y is equal to 14 minus x, putting value of y from equation third in equation second। स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट में पुट नहीं करेंगे, फर्स्ट से तो हमें ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करिए। We have to find out this value from equation first. Now we will put this value of y in equation second. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, replace y with 14 minus x. X minus value of y is 14 minus x. That is equal to 4. Now students, you are observing here that this equation is converted into one variable and we will find out the value of x. Now student, x minus 14 minus plus, that is 4. X plus x, that is 2x. Now students, 4 plus 14. What is the value of x? X is equal to 18 divided by 2. That is 9. X is equal to 9. Now student, you have to find out the value of y. Putting x is equal to 9 in equation third. Third is your y is equal to 14 minus x. Students, substituting x is equal to 9 in equation third. Student, your equation third is y is equal to 14 minus x. Y is equal to that is equal to 5. Yes friends? स्टूडेंट कर सकते हो, लेकिन जब आपकी डायरेक्ट वैल्यू आ रही है y is equal to 14 minus x, तो उसको टिपिकल करने की जरूरत क्या है? आप डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट कीजिए उसमें। Why are you making the question so typical? Now student, x is equal, therefore x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast.
No, sir.
Part exercise 3.3. Question number first, second part. Now student, s minus t is equal to 3. That your first equation. Now student, s minus s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now student, take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. S, student, how 2s plus t. How many times 6 come in table of 2? 3 times 2, 3 is 6, that is 6. Now student, this equation becomes 2s equal to 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. That is equation second. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, from equation first. S is equal to 3 plus t. That is equation third. That is your equation third. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now substituting s is equal substituting value of s from equation third in equation second. Replace s with 3 plus t. Substituting value of s from equation third in equation second. Now student, replace s with 3 plus t. Now student, you are observing here that it is this equation changed into one variables.
Yes, sir. There are only one.
Student, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 30. Now student, it becomes 2t plus 3t, that is 5t. 36 minus 6. Now student, the value of t is 30 divided by 5. T is equal to 6. Now student, substituting t is equal to 6 in equation third. Substituting t is equal to 6 in equation third. Students, what is s? S is equal to 3 plus t. S is equal to 3 plus t. S
9.
3 plus t is 6.
9.
S is equal to 9. Therefore, S is equal to 9. T is equal to 6. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Exercise 3.3, question number 1, fourth part. Question number 1, fourth part. Exercise 3.3, student, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Now student, next one is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now students, 0.2x can be written as 2 by 10x. 0.3y can be written as 3 by 10y. And 1.3 can be written as 13 by 10. Students, and 0.4 4 by 10x plus 5 by 10y, 23 by 10. Now student, what is common in first two terms? What is common in first two? 1 by 10 is common. It becomes 2x plus 3y. That is 13 by 10. Now student, 10 to 10 cancel out, and in second one, that is 1 by 10 is common. It becomes 4x plus 5y is equal to 23 by 10. 10 to 10 cancel out. Now student, your equation becomes now your equation will be 2x plus 13 is your first linear equation,
4x plus 5y equal 23.
is equal to 23. Now student, we will find out the value of y from equation second, and we will put in the first. Little bit change from equation second. Student, 5y is equal to 23 minus 4x. Student, any doubt?
No sir.
No, sir.
Now y is equal to, what is y? 23 minus 4x divided by 5. That is equation third. Now student, substituting value of y from equation third in equation first. Now we will replace y with 23 minus 4x by 5. Substituting value of y from equation third in equation first. स्टूडेंट्स, पहले टू पार्ट्स में हमने क्या इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से निकाल करके सेकंड में पुट कर रहे थे. अब हमने इस पार्ट में क्या किया, सेकंड इक्वेशन से वैल्यू निकाल करके फर्स्ट में पुट कर रहे हैं. आप इसी तरीके से कर सकते हैं, कोई गलती नहीं होगा इसमें. ठीक है, आप देखिए यहाँ पे
Yes sir.
2x plus 3y, 2x 3 y, replace y with 23 minus 4x by 5 is equal to 13. Now student, it will becomes 2x plus 23 3s are 69
69.
minus 12x divided by 5 is equal to 13. Now student, take the LCM, that is 4 plus 9. Your equation is 2x plus 69 minus 12x by 5 is equal to 13. Now student, take the LCM. 2 by 1, 13 by 1. What is the LCM? LCM is 5. Now student, 1, 5 is 5, 5 is 10x
10x.
plus 69 minus 12x, that is equal to 13 by 1. Now student, it becomes 10x minus 12x, that is minus 2x plus 69. Student, cross multiplication. 13 5s are 65. Minus 2x, 65 minus 69. Minus 2x is equal to minus 4. Now student, minus minus cancel out. That is x is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2.
X is equal to 2.
Now student, substituting x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 in equation third. In equation third. Student, what is your equation third? Y is equal to 23 minus 4x by 5. Student, replace x with a 2. 23 minus replace x with a 2, that is 5. Now students, 23 4 2s are 8.
23 minus 50.
23 minus 8, 15 by 5. 3. Now students, y is 3. Students, we conclude here that x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is your final answer. Student, any doubt, any problem in the substitution method? Now student, question number first, fifth part. Student, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0, that is equation first. Now student, root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0, that is equation second. Now student, first of all, we will find out the value of either x or y from equation first. Students, we will find out the value of x from equation first. X is equal to 0 minus root 3y. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 3y. That is equation third. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Substituting value of x from equation third in equation second. In equation second. Now students, replace x is equal to minus root 3y. Now student, it will becomes, that is root 3. Replace x with minus root 3y and minus root 8y. Student, it will change into one variable. Now students, root 3 multiplied with root 3. Root 3 multiplied with root 3 becomes
3.
minus 3y minus root 8y. Now student, it becomes 0. Student, what is common in both two terms? Y is common, minus 3 minus root 8,
Yes, sir.
that is 0. Students, we have to find out the value of y. To find out the value of y 0 divided by any number minus 3 minus root 8. Students, if 0 is divided by any number, result will be equal to 0.
0.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now substituting y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 in equation third. Student, what is your third? X is equal to minus root 3y. Replace y with 0. Replace y with 0. If any
X will also become 0.
Student, therefore we conclude that x is 0 as well as y is 0. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Student, do it fast.
That is very easy.
Question number 2. Exercise 3.3. Students, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. That is equation first. Now students, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. That is your second equation. Student, form equation first. 3y is equal to 11 minus 2x. Y is equal to 11 minus 2x divided by 3. That is your third equation. Substituting value of y from equation third in equation second. Student, replace y with now student 2x minus 4, replace y with 11 minus 2x divided by 3 is equal to minus 24. Now student, it becomes 2x minus 40 minus that is 44. 4 to the 8x divided by 3. That is minus 24. Now student, take the LCM. LCM is 3. 3 to the 6x minus 44 minus 8x. That is minus 24. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No.
6x. If there is minus sign before the bracket, then all the sign the bracket will be changed. That is minus 40 minus plus 8x divided by 3. That is minus 24. Now students, 6x plus 8x, that is 14x minus 44, that is minus 72. Now student, it becomes 14x, that is minus 72 plus 44. What becomes? Students, 12 minus 4, 8, 8 and
Minus 28.
28. Student, x is equal to minus 28 divided by 14. That is 2. X is equal to minus 2. Putting x is equal to minus 2 in equation. Students, now y is equal to 11 minus 2x by 3. 11 minus 2x by 3. Y is equal to 11. What is x? X is minus 2 divided by 3. Y is equal to, students, minus multiplied with my plus 4 divided by 3. Y is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Student, do it fast. Y is equal to mx plus 2. Student, y 5 and x minus 2 plus 2. X is a y is 3. Y is 3. Student, what is the value of x?
So no, sir. Y is equal to x plus 3.
X minus 2, y 5. Is clear? 5.
Question y is equals to mx plus 3.
Okay, student, that is 3.
That is 3.
Now, student, that is 3. And that is minus 2m. Now, student, that is 2 minus 2m. 2 divided by minus 2, that is m.
M is equal to minus 1.
Okay, students, it is time of Hindi